Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1149 filters into the housing with the arrow pointing up. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Partially close the glove box so that the stops re-engage. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.